Today I'm going to demonstrate the process which you take a mechanical Equa chair and convert it to a pneumatic Equa chair. For that you're going to need a regular claw hammer, your pneumatic conversion kit included with the lever and handle, 2 roll pins, a set screw, a 5/32 Allen wrench, regular pliers, and your new cylinder. First step is to remove the 4 Torx bit bolts from the chair shell. After you have that done, the shell and the tilt should come apart. Next part is to remove the old base. Do that by taking the top cylinder clip off and slide the old base off. Then removing the old cylinder, do that by removing the bottom cylinder clip. After that's done, you should be able to slide this out. Now you want to make sure everything's clear out of the cylinder tube, so just tip it over, give it a tap. Then you want to install your conversion kit, starting with the handle and lever. Take your pliers and a roll pin and tap roll pin in lightly into the hole. Start it. You don't want to tap it all the way in because you want to make sure that the holes are all lined up and your lever is lined up. So once you know they're all lined up, go ahead and finish tapping the roll pin all the way through. Then do the other side. Once again, only start it. You don't want to send it all the way through until you know that the holes are lined up. Then add your set screw. Take your 5/32 Allen wrench and tighten your set screw to about halfway. Then take your new cylinder, slide that in. It should be all the way set in the bottom. The set screw should be touching the activating button. Slide your bottom cylinder clip in. Now add your bumper, washer, bearing washer to the cylinder, and replace the old base on the top. Line up the cylinder to come through the hole and add your top cylinder clip. Once you have your cylinder installed, flip your tilt over. You're going to check it. Do that by activating the lever and making sure that the base will go down. And then activating it once again, making sure it'll go up. Making sure it stays at the top when it's not activated. Now you got to put your chair back together. So you take your shell, flip your tilt over, making sure that the tension knob is in the front of the chair, not the back of the chair. Slide your arms back into place. replace the 4 torque bolts. You don't want to tighten the bolts all the way in until you know that they'll all fit, so you don't strip out any bolts.